Hey friends, if you wish to remove show more options entry from the Windows 11 context menu, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the context menu usually has show more options as the entry. Upon clicking it, you can access the older context menu, but if you don't want it, then simply click on these three dots at the top right corner, select options, go to the view tab, scroll down to launch folder windows in a separate process. Check this box, click on apply, click on OK, and then restart your computer. You will have to restart your computer, otherwise it won't take effect. And once you restart the computer, this option will be disabled from the context menu. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.